Alright, if anybody wants to know what those are for, okay, I'm going to tell you. When you're sitting here and here, sitting on this, you're pushing on here and here. What this does is, this will basically help keep them together. So that way, hopefully they won't break apart on you. If you're wondering.
For added support. Is that it?
I don't care, they're going to probably break off anyways, they always do.
What?
These are actually supposed to be on the inside. For sure. And we don't even mention the rubber pads. We didn't mention these.
It must not be needed for this. I guess the reason they're on the inside is so people don't hit their legs on it.
Well, to me, they probably want to break off anyways. Because they normally always do.
After many years.
So I'm not actually going to worry about them.
So you're putting the rubber pads under there?
Yeah, I'm going to put the rubber pads on. But I'm just saying these. This bag's supposed to be the other way. I mean, these come off on their own anyways. In about the first month or two. But actually these are just for, so that way you put it where the metal meets the metals, so that way you don't have to really, it helps dampen the
banging noise.
The banging.
But we're not going to turn it from a bed to a mat. It's going to stay as a seat.
Well, in fairness, you get it up and down on it anyways.
Yeah. Yeah, but we'll put it up against the wall so it won't move.
There. Yeah, I might as well fix it. Fix these handles here, so they're the other way. At least hopefully last a little longer.
Mm-hmm. If those break off ever, I will do a video on it, and I will do a video on David's solution. But this is brand new.
Suffice it to say, it involves zip ties and strings.
But right now, this is brand new. So, and it was because I wanted the up and down things on the end to resolve the issues I had with the old futon. And this is the final assembly.
Yeah, I'm just doing this so that way hopefully they'll last longer.
So it's essentially the assembly is done. Dave?
Pretty much. Also, it's just the cushion needs to arrive.
Okay, so you see this, you see it completed.
Yeah, basically. There. Do that so that way it's easier for me.
Ren's kissing David.
There. That's how it's supposed to be. It's like that.
Okay.
It's on this side. Not like that one. That one was wrong. This is right.
This is right.
Yeah.
This is wrong.
Yeah.
This is right. And there it is. This is the finished assembly.
I'll go fix that other one.
And as always, the fun never ends in C Sparkle's Corner. Feel free to share. Feel free to subscribe. And when the cushion comes and we put the new cover on, you'll see it next. So stay tuned. Don't go away. Bye, everybody.